Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be talking about radio listtile in Flutter. Now we have heard of the checkbox and the radio list. What's the difference? A radio list is used when you want to select only a single item from a list, while a checkbox is used when you want to select multiple items in a box. So without wasting much time, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video, and let's get started. So as you can see here, I only have a simple stateful widget, my run app, and the app bar. So let's add the body now. In the body we have a radio listtile. Yeah, and we have some properties that are required, like the group value, the value, and the unchanged property. Okay, all these are required, so let's start giving them values. So the value will be 1, meaning the value being 1 means that it is active. And for our group value, we create an integer of value and we set it to -1, meaning it is not yet selected yet. And now we'll give our group value the value we just created. Okay, now in our unchanged we use the set state function and we'll set the value to equals to the normal value, which is 1, meaning it is selected already, something like that. So now we are having an error. Let's see where this is coming from. Okay, so there is that, and we have an error here. The value of object can be assigned to the value of integer, so we just change this to an object, and because of the null safety we add the null function, and now it works. So let's try to see. Okay, put it in the center and let's try to run this. There's our checkbox, and if you click it, it's not, that's it there. Now you can see if you click it again, it doesn't go off. It has a function called toggleable. That means if you set it to true, then you'll be able to toggle from, like, change it on and off, on and off. Now you can see on and off, on and off. Okay, let's give it title. Since it is a listtile, as title, subtitle, say radio listtile, a radio, and add your const, then a subtitle, it should be a text too, a toggleable radio. Now if you save this, that is our radio listtile, that's our radio tile. So the other things, your active color secondary, so the secondary will be an icon, and that will be icons dot radio. So let's make it a constant. We save this, you can see that icon at the far right, and it is still clickable. So control affinity. Now control affinity, we have 3 types. We have, let's just check it, the list control affinity. We have the leading, the platform, and the trailing. Normally the default is platform. Now you can see trailing moves the secondary to the front, and then that's just it. So now the tile colors of amber. Also, we have the active color. Now if you run this and you see when you tap it, the color becomes red. That's for the active color. So this is just it about the radio listtile. If you enjoyed this video, a subscription to this channel will be appreciated. Also, like this video, add your comment below, and I'll see you in the next lesson.